Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to change the language on the Oppo A5x. Now to do that, first of all, just open settings, then tap on system and update. Now to change the language, just tap on language and region, then tap on edit. And from here, just select any language which you want to add. Now for an example, I will select this language. Now to set the selected language as your default language, just select yes. And once you do that, you will change the language on your Oppo phone. Also from here, you can select multiple languages at once. And you can switch between the languages by dragging the language to the top from the three lines at the side of the language. Just like that. And this is how you can change the language on the Oppo A5x. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.